Hello everyone, I'm Matthew Taylor and this is my research tutorial project on allsides.com. Allsides.com is a website that will give you up-to-date news articles that shows you which part of the political spectrum these articles are coming from. It will tell you if it's coming from the left, where usually Democrats or your liberals are. It will tell you the center, where people are a little bit more neutral or moderate on the political spectrum, as well as from the right, your conservatives or Republican type. Accessing allsides.com is fairly simple. You can go to any web browser, you type in allsides.com, the URL is shown there, and you just click on the link, which I have also shown down below. Allsides.com can also be found on the App Store. The photo that you would find is on the bottom left there, and it's available on iOS or Android devices. Allsides.com is also free. This site will ask for donations, but those are completely voluntary. The app is free to download as well. There's even a section in their FAQ which explains how they make their money. Creating an account is very simple. As soon as you get to the home page, you click Join in the top right, and then it will ask you to select your membership, either sustaining membership or free membership. If you select Create Your Free Membership, it'll just ask you to fill out some basic information such as your name, email, username, and password. Once you hit Submit, it will bring you back to the home page, and where it originally said Join, it should now say Upgrade, and that'll show that you've created an account successfully, and you do not need to confirm your email address. These screenshots here walk you through the differences between a free membership and a sustaining membership. And if you do decide to have a sustaining membership, it does show your payment options down below. You can go monthly, annually, and again, there's different contribution levels that you can give. In order to access allsides.com, you do need working Wi-Fi. However, if you do have a smart device and the sustaining membership, it will allow you to store saved stories that you will not need Wi-Fi for. Using the website is a very simple process. When you're on the home page, you'll see the search bar on the top right, and then you just type in the topic that you are interested in finding. I use the example abortion, highly controversial topic that a lot of people have very distinct viewpoints on. And in that screenshot, it will show you some different articles you can click on, as well as how different agencies have reported on it. Town Hall, they refer to as a right-leaning. Wall Street Journal, they put as centralized, and CNN, they put on the left. You click on those links, and it will allow you to access that particular story from that company. If you just click on the category, it will bring up all three for you to review at once and kind of give you a brief description. You just click on the read full story option, and it'll open up a new tab from that organization's website for you to read that story. Some other features on the home page, there is that head bar that has different sections for you to click on, and the top stories bar will also bring you to the biggest news that is currently out there. If you disagree with how they have ranked a certain site in leaning left or leaning right, you can provide that feedback, and the site will monitor that feedback and change if necessary. One cool feature is this website will allow you to engage with others, maybe in your community or elsewhere in the nation. They will allow you to host debates or even sit in on debates between other members in. You have to click on the Contact Us section down below in order to get more information, whether it's for your business, school, or any other organization. There's even a whole section on schools as well. The picture there below shows you exactly what they have created for schools, such as a special dictionary, connecting with other students, and again, just giving you better articles that better fit a school. The settings are very basic. You click on the person icon in the top right, click settings, and it allows you to change your name, password, email, profile picture, or subscription status. Sharing the source is fairly simple. It can be shared through social media, copy and pasting the URL through email or text, or even adding it to a class management system, which I showed you on the bottom left. My school uses Schoology, so I can add it to my management system software. I would argue that primary use would be for social studies teacher and ELA teachers, but really any teacher could find an article that fits the topics they're looking at. Most of these articles would be for grades 6 and up, but depending on the topic, you could find some suitable for elementary school. Here's some skills that can be enhanced using this website. It definitely allows you to address all aspects of Bloom's text taxonomy. You can create things based off the articles you read. There's a lot of evaluating and analyzing through these sources or just remembering factual information. It would primarily just focus on the enhancement section of the SAMR model due to substituting how you're accessing or just augmenting kind of what you're looking at. This is an idea for a formative assessment where one student partners up with another. They give each other an article, and then they have to help each other identify the bias, the political spectrum, as well as summarizing the story. Another activity could be creating a debate by yourself. One student reads an article, and then they read it from the same topic on a different side, and they have to create a debate. What would each side say based off these two perspective articles? And these articles can even be used as a summative. You can ask a student to identify the biased language, highlight the key words and phrases, even summarize the story, really demonstrate that students can sniff out bias in the news and show that they understand when bias can be found.